Okay, good morning. Dan Brott, Vice President of Sales for the Great Plains Ag Division. Excited to introduce the new BD7600 box drill. So this all new box drill design for us has a lot of features based on customer and dealer feedback. Starting out with the tongue design, it's a beefed up tongue that allows for heavier fertilizer capabilities, carrying capabilities, as well as some new features including a hydraulic jack stand. Really, when you get back to the main part of this entire drill, the box itself is something that we put a lot of time and effort into developing. The new box design has over 8 million cycle tests on the twist of the actual box itself. So again, as you get to these 26, 30, and 40 foot widths, there's a lot of flexibility in the field, so we try to make sure that we tested the box design for that. On the back side of it, the all-new feeder cup that we have allows you to meter large seeds, small seeds, and fertilizer all through the same meter. So with that new meter, we allow for a split box design, so you can do both a small seed and a standard seed through the same box, but apply it individually with different rates. Also, the row unit itself has been updated to an alternating leading edge design. So the long and the short row units have alternating leading edges. So that helps, again, as you get wider in width, to pull true through the field. Along with that, we've added a lot of technology options to this box drill. So we have an optional camera that you can put on the back. It's a magnet, so you can put it really anywhere on the box, but feeds through any ISO monitor. We have a blockage monitor on these machines, a work light up in the boxes themselves, as well as a new hydraulic drive option that we didn't offer in the past. So it really is a new drill from front to back, from really the company that brought you the original box drills. So we actually had our initial orders here starting in January. Honestly, the first production runs are all sold out already, so that's a good thing to have. But it will be showing up at dealerships really starting here in March and throughout the rest of the year.